Hello everyone, welcomes to my channel. Today's topic: Yoga quiz. Question number 1. Which of the following is known as the tree pose in yoga? Tadasana, Bhujangasana, Trikonsana, Vrikshasana. Answer: Vrikshasana. Explanation: Vrikshasana is derived from the Sanskrit word vriksha, meaning tree. It involves balancing on one leg and placing the other foot on the inner thigh, resembling a tree. Question number 2. Which yoga pose is commonly referred to as the downward facing dog? Uttansana, Adho Mukha Svansana, Dhanursana, Paschimottanasana. Answer: Adho Mukha Svansana. Explanation: Adho Mukha Svansana translates to downward facing dog pose and is a foundational pose in many yoga practices, resembling a dog stretching downward. Question number 3. Which of the following is a breathing technique in yoga? Surya Namaskar, Chaturanga, Savasana, Pranayam. Answer: Pranayam. Explanation: Pranayam is the practice of breath control in yoga, involving various techniques to regulate and deepen breathing. Question number 4. Which yoga pose is best known for improving spinal flexibility? Savasana, Padmasana, Vrikshasana, Bhujangasana. Answer: Bhujangasana. Explanation: Bhujangasana or cobra pose involves arching the back and lifting the chest, which helps improve spinal flexibility and strength. Question number 5. Which yoga pose is traditionally used for meditation? Tadasana, Utkatsana, Padmasana, Dhanursana. Answer: Padmasana. Explanation: Padmasana or lotus pose is a cross-legged sitting posture commonly used for meditation due to its stability and grounding effect. Question number 6. What is the primary benefit of Savasana? Enhances flexibility, strengthens muscles, improves digestion, promotes deep relaxation. Answer: promotes deep relaxation. Explanation: Savasana or corpse pose is practiced at the end of a yoga session to promote deep relaxation and integration of the practice. Question number 7. Which yoga style is known for its fast-paced and physically intense sequences? Kundalini Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, Yin Yoga. Answer: Ashtanga Yoga. Explanation: Ashtanga Yoga is a dynamic and physically demanding style that follows a set sequence of postures and emphasizes breath and movement synchronization. Question number 8. Which chakra is located at the base of the spine? Heart chakra, root chakra, throat chakra, crown chakra. Answer: root chakra. Explanation: The root chakra or Muladhara is located at the base of the spine and is associated with grounding and stability. Question number 9. Which yoga pose resembles a triangle shape? Bhujangasana, Utkatsana, Trikonsana, Vrikshasana. Answer: Trikonsana. Explanation: Trikonsana or triangle pose involves extending the arms and legs to form a triangle shape, enhancing balance and flexibility. Question number 10. Which yoga practice involves chanting and spiritual awakening? Iyengar Yoga, Kundalini Yoga, Power Yoga, Vinyas Yoga. Answer: Kundalini Yoga. Explanation: Kundalini Yoga combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and chanting to awaken spiritual energy at the base of the spine. Question number 11. Which of the following is a seated forward bend pose? Paschimottanasana, Vrikshasana, Tadasana, Bhujangasana. Answer: Paschimottanasana. Explanation: Paschimottanasana is a seated forward bend that stretches the spine and hamstrings, promoting relaxation and flexibility. Question number 12. Which yoga pose is known as the chair pose? Utkatsana, Padmasana, Savasana, Tadasana. Answer: Utkatsana. Explanation: Utkatsana or chair pose involves bending the knees and raising the arms, resembling the posture of sitting in a chair. Question number 13. Which yoga practice emphasizes alignment and uses props? Vinyas Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, Kundalini Yoga, Iyengar Yoga. Answer: Iyengar Yoga. Explanation: Iyengar Yoga focuses on precise alignment and often uses props like blocks and straps to support the body in poses. Question number 14. Which of the following is a backbend pose? Padmasana, Tadasana, Dhanursana, Trikonsana. Answer: Dhanursana. Explanation: Dhanursana or bow pose is a backbend that stretches the front body and strengthens the back muscles. Question number 15. Which yoga pose is commonly used to transition between other poses in Vinyas flow? Savasana, Padmasana, Vrikshasana, Chaturanga Dandasana. Answer: Chaturanga Dandasana. Explanation: Chaturanga Dandasana or four-limbed staff pose is a key transitional pose in Vinyas flow sequences, building strength and control. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.